how to cut your finger off. I'm just kidding. How to cut a ham. Ooh, be careful. Always cut down, maybe. Oh. We're trying to make real thin pieces.
But when you're cutting, are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. But when you're cutting, there's nothing called mistakes. There's only this little fun accidents.
No, there are no accidents. A little
There are
piece
no
of happiness, is that what you called it?
Yeah, a piece of happiness. Even if it's thick, it could be used for something else.
This is so true. And this is a big, look at all this yummy meat we're gonna have. That's gonna be a big piece.
This might not be used for a sandwich, and you might not be.
We'll have that for dinner.
Yeah, you could put this on a plate, put some vegetables on it, just a
That's
little
what
bit
we're
of salt, and then you got a perfect masterpiece.
Look what's happening to his hair since we can't go get our hair cut.
You know what?
You
Yeah,
might-
after this we should get haircuts.
We can't. I have to do your haircut.
Yeah, okay.
That's why I asked you.
Okay, so that's like, what is that?
Yeah, good job. It has a bone in it. It's pretty soon gonna have a finger in it. Just kidding. I gotta come
I
over
don't
here.
think I asked this too much, but if you could subscribe, that would really help.
Yeah, we bottle your hearts.
Yeah, the YouTube algorithm.
This is me making rice. I have no idea if I'm making it right.
If you're a vegan
put a
and
top
you're
on
freaking out because you're cutting meat, don't
Yeah, don't
worry.
Look, if you don't worry, look, see, I take protein powder.
Yeah, if you see an animal and you being cut up and you
Don't say that. I don't want to talk about that.
Yeah, you shouldn't talk.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
if you're a vegan, don't watch this one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
Maybe
big
next
one.
time.
We have all different kinds of specials because
Maybe next time we could do something vegan, just for all those.
we did one. Remember the jackfruit one? If you haven't
Oh,
seen the
yeah.
jackfruit one, you should go back and see that one.
Yeah,
I
and
can't cut
if you
it.
saw that, you might have seen that my mom has commented
Maybe.
on one that says is about like you should use a chainsaw.
I think you said
But-
said that.
No, but
I didn't say anything about the chainsaw.
no. A person did that, and then you jokingly put it down like, yeah, let's do that. But
Oh yeah.
you didn't go under the comment to do the actual comment. You did it separately. So if it does become popular, nobody's gonna know what you're talking about.
Although I don't know, you might need a chainsaw for that thing because it was like really hard.
Yeah.
I mean,
And so
oh my gosh, I think there's another bone in this thing. Oh no, that's the that's the cutting board. Oh my god, I just saw it through something. It feels like a bone.
it feels like some wood.
Oh, now there's some tasty one. Do you think that piece is too thin?
What piece?
It's like a piece of roast beef.
This is way too thin for us.
Do you think that'll be good on a sandwich?
Do you think that can even fit on a necklace?
I'm just trying to flatten the surface for you.
You know that's not
Oh, be
gonna.
careful not to cut me. Don't cut me.
Okay, let's show how. This is how a tutorial how to cut off your mom's hands.
Yeah, no.
First, you gotta slice.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to this thing. How come this thing's to keep boiling? It's on low simmer. No simmer.
I'm getting a thin one.
Oh, okay. Are you getting it thin?
Okay, I got a
Okay,
thin.
well,
Up there.
now our good friend Donna gave us this ham. And I'm hoping to be able to get her some. Okay, really be careful. That is a super nice knife that I got from Santa for Christmas. Don't hurt yourself. I can't take you to the hospital
Why?
because they're full of coronavirus people. Gosh, God forbid you stab yourself and you're bleeding to death. I'm not going to take you to the hospital. You might get coronavirus. You could bleed to death, son.
It's better if you bleed to death.
Yes, just don't stab yourself because I'm just not going to the
There's a high
hospital.
chance you can survive, but from the coronavirus since you're young, but It's full of coronavirus people.
Yeah, I might get it. And God forbid.
God forbid.
I'd have to like throw you out 100 miles per hour, but you'd still be bleeding. And you might have some little extra bruises from the throwing you out of the car. But you'd be fine because you were already bleeding from your stab.
I
What?
got a clean one.
Oh, you did? That's a perfect one. See? You're getting better at it.
Oh yeah, and just for recording purposes and just for the coronavirus case, don't think if your grandpa, your pops or nana or whatever you want to call them, or your like grandfather or your
Yeah, they got
old
it. Your
people,
grandparents.
if they're going out, try to take assistance and get the stuff for them, since
Yes.
it's gonna be because they are. If they're going to like a shopping center, there's probably going to be tons of people. Not going, but I have one more thing.
Maybe they can teach you how to make
Humans,
rice.
Get your life together. We're not going after food or water. We're going after toilet paper.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
I don't know. I went to the market today and I was like, okay, you know what? It's like midday. Nobody's going to be at the market. I don't know. There were a lot of people at the market. I mean, not a lot, but there were more people than I would have thought. Anyway, there was no toilet paper, not even any Kleenex. It was quite annoying.
Yeah.
Actually, there was one Kleenex box, but it was like this mentholated kind. And I was like, now I know why there's only one box of Kleenex. Nobody's going to wipe with the mentholated. Might light your butt on fire. Are you getting tired?
No.
All right, what do you want to do after you make this?
Okay.
Are you gonna warm it up?
Okay. I'm just gonna explain what we're doing so far. Okay. First, you're gonna have to just to catch you up, since we are recording kind of late into the process. First, you want to get a big ham, and don't do it like us, because try to make it thin as possible, and because
You're gonna sandwich meat tomorrow.
because this was one of our thin ones.
Yeah, that was like our beginning one.
Yeah,
And then this is my roast beef one that I am so proud
it's
of.
too thin.
It's just so thin. It's like the size of my buttocks. Probably is
Okay.
somebody's buttocks.
Okay, and then you got the rice over here.
Yes, but I'm so proudly not making.
Okay, you got the rice over there.
I got rice over here.
Are you making sure you're recording?
I have the rice and I have the ham.
Oh,
And I got the
yes,
chewy.
please.
The next thing I'm doing is I'm going to cook the hot dog. Joy, get in the pan. Do we want any vegetables? Should we look at let's look at our vegetable drawer and see what we have. Bum, ba, da, bum. We've got a bunch of ginger,
Avocado.
some fresh broccoli.
We got a tip for you all. Always cut tomatoes with the bread.
With the
and cutter.
a bread cutter, otherwise known as a bread knife.
Bread knife.
Look, here's a big tomato.
Big tomato.
Big fresh tomato.
Be gone, evil demon. I hate tomatoes.
Okay, well, since you hate potatoes, look, we've got chopped salad,
Tomatoes.
chopped shallots, otherwise known as chopped salad. We got broccoli.
Wait, I have an idea.
Okay.
We can cut these celeries into little bits and put them slightly on the hams. Why am I trying to sound fancy?
I don't know, but my Alexa's. Alexa, read my notification.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Chicken noodle soup has arrived.
My chicken noodle soup! Yes! The chicken noodle does have been.
That was only a delivery that I delivered. I forgot about it. I ordered it such a long time ago. Okay, we have spinach.
Spinach.
Oh wait, you were gonna chop up the celery.
Yep, we're gonna chop up the celery.
Should
And we can try to make this a spine.
A spine.
I'm joking, of course.
It's a cucumber. We have carrots.
Woohoo!
All right, they're sick of looking at my vegetable drawer. I've got salad, spinach, salad, carrots.
I'll just go cut the half.
I've got one guacamole. I'm talking like quarter. All right, how about we have broccoli, with spinach.
Sure. I love that combo.
Oh, he loves the combo.
Combo wombo.
Broccoli with spinach coming up. Okay, he is still cutting away. So we need to get a.
Well, now we're not going to become famous because we're not doing gaming videos.
Well, we're gonna start doing some videos.
Yeah, we gotta stop that.
So we need a pan to put your stuff in. And it's not stuffing, it's your ham.
If you're wondering why we have an inconsistent schedule, or if you might be wondering why don't they have a schedule for you?
Well, we used to have a schedule, and you got bored.
Okay, let me
Put
explain.
your ham in here.
Okay, let me explain why we haven't been uploading on a schedule. Since we don't care. We just do this for fun.
Yes, for funsies. We do it for funsies, don't we?
And also for monies. Donate
No,
money
we
to us. Give us all the toilet papers.
No, I don't want your stinky toilet paper.
Don't give us money, either food or water. We only care about the
Actually, we can take your toilet paper and then we can resell it.
Hey, one more thing.
Nobody sees my face right now, right?
You know why everyone's getting toilet paper? Because it's the way to cure the coronavirus. That's a joke.
Yes,
Please
it
don't.
does. Didn't you hear?
Didn't you
If
hear?
you wipe your butt enough times.
It cures your corona. People watching, don't be an idiot. That was a joke.
That was a joke. Hey, that's not nice. Don't call our audience idiots.
Let's
They're
be
all
honest,
wiping
they're
their
all
butts.
probably 2-year-olds.
They're wiping their butts like crazy.
I
Oh, look what's happening to my rice. I'm so proud of my rice. It's like starting to boil
grows
over.
up so fast.
It grows up so fast. But where did my thing go to stir it around?
Why do we laugh so much?
Because this show is normally so boring.
Oh, Mark's here.
Oh my
Today
God.
we're gonna slap my dog. That's
Oh.
the challenge.
Doesn't he look so fat?
Oh, it's too cute.
He is so fat. And eating too much ham. So now I'm going to make the stir-fried broccoli.
If you subscribe to Morgs, get out.
What? Get out?
Get out of our channel. Get out of YouTube.
If you subscribe to what?
Subscribe to Morgs.
Mords.
It's the worst YouTube.
If you like, who's that guy that does Hell's Kitchen?
If you like Gordon Ramsay,
If you like Gordon Ramsay,
get out. You can only like us.
you can only like us. We are much better than Gordon Ramsay.
You like PewDiePie, the biggest channel. Listen, don't subscribe. Listen to this channel with 2 subscribers.
Yes!
And that's your brothers.
Then you know we're popular if you watch our channel.
Yeah.
I'm
Some of
telling.
our videos have 0 views.
Yes, and what? Look at our comments. They're even better. You don't have to be disturbed by having to read so many comments.
Can I tell you how much we got on our first video? 0.
Exactly. You
Actually,
don't.
why?
Who wants to read? And I think it came from you.
Yes.
You cheated. So I am making.
System.
I am making the greens. They're very green right now.
We're trying to cheat the system.
No, you tried to cheat the system. I did not. I was very excited when we got that comment. And then you told me you did it.
And
I was
then you
so
were
upset.
like, yes, do it more, create more accounts.
I did not.
We shall grow an army of subbots.
Yeah, but then I would have to make so many of my own email accounts.
So many of different accounts. Send us your email so we can create accounts.
It took me so much to figure out how to get this one account. I was like, I can't do anymore.
How can you do this?
I was like, I am not doing any more YouTube. I do not understand the YouTube.
And we do no editing, so if one voice sounds like dog poo-poo, or don't worry, we're never gonna fix it.
Yes, just try to understand the best you can.
I hope this is your first video seeing us, because
Ah! The dog he's eating the ham.
The whole time you're gonna sound like a weird vampires.
Yes, like Monster Mash.
Monster Mash.
Like
we
we're-
did the mash. The Monster Mash.
Okay, now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, wow, there's a lot of ham in there to get warm. Hang on.
I love this channel.
This channel. Oh my God! So you should. You know what? Porter is his younger brother, and he's always criticizing us for making this channel. But listen to what this stupid did. blank did. He put. What did he put in that? Oh, he put a piece of bread in the microwave for 6 minutes. I had to bust open my extinguisher, my fire extinguisher, which, by the way, is very hard to operate. I had to get a pin out.
It's kind of like a time when you put butter in the microwave.
Yeah, but this one was on fire.
But no joke, Mom actually did that.
No, I know. I did put the butter in the microwave.
I'm talking
But-
to the viewers.
But the stupid piece of bread lit on fire my microwave. Our whole kitchen almost, bottle your hearts, burnt down because Porter put. So he
You mean
is
Blank Blank? That's his name now.
Blank the blank.
Hello, Blank Blank.
I'm gonna call him Burnt Toast.
Yes.
That's his stage
Whenever
name.
we're introducing him, we could tell him that his name is
Burnt.
Toast, and my name is Lisp, and her name is Microwave Butter.
Microwave butter.
And then we got our older brother, Winston. We could call him
Sleaze bucket.
Please Bucket.
That's mean.
Well, how about that?
Dad, call him garbage disposal.
Yes. Should we keep that promise?
We should always keep our promises to each other.
Yes. Even if it's not on camera.
Even if it's on camera. But if it's not on camera, do not keep your promises. How come it's getting very dark over there? Is the sun setting over there? Wait, I think that's enough ham.
Never.
Never? Oh wait, I never pressed start to warm up the oven. Okay, this thing is grilling. Wait, there's a Russian doll in here. Everything a girl needs in her kitchen is a Russian doll. Oh my gosh, why do I have a Russian doll?
And some inappropriate figures.
Oh my God!
And some duck.
So I think what we should do tonight is we should put some coffee in our rice and see if anybody eats it. Okay, that's not thin. You have stopped on your thin slicing.
More ham. I need more ham.
He has now gone into the thick slicing. But wait a minute.
Thin slice.
That is a very thin slice. What's happened here? I've got to change my direction now because you went into nighttime. But look at this pile of meat.
That's too little.
I'm gonna have to put in some water, I think. Oops,
Put in all the water.
I
Oh my
forgot.
God, that voice is breaking my throat.
I know. Well, I had to kind
I
of
think
slow
I
down.
have an
on-
alter ego. Evil weird vampire Jack.
Wait, I forgot your name.
Evil weird
No.
vampire
Can
Jack.
you make sure you watch so I don't have the audience watching you cut off your finger?
What? What's my name?
I forgot your name.
What? You forgot my name.
No, what's your stage name?
Hashtag best mother ever. You forgot my name.
No. What is your name?
We don't have a.
No,
What?
mine's microwave butter.
Mine is thick slice.
Thick slice. Oh.
Thick slice.
Thick slice. That's right.
Ham Jack.
Jack ham.
No,
No.
just ham Jack.
I like thick slice.
Yes, thick slice.
That's kind of funny. Like home slice, but it's thick slice.
I am thick.
Okay, that's enough. Let's put it in. Oh shit.
Did you forget?
Okay, excuse me. Oh shoot, shoot, shoot.
Remember, don't censor it.
Oh my God, you're not gonna be able to
Let
talk.
all the 2-year-olds come in.
It's about time. They're gonna know how to swear by the end of your isolation anyway.
Pixar even did it. No joke. It's like that.
Oh, I'm burning it. All right. Okay, that is enough. Put it in here. I think we should add some water in there so
In
that.
this channel, we're gonna curse like eat that kid on Halo 3.
I've never seen. Put some water in that. No, here.
Put it up to the max.
I just thought maybe it could boil. Okay, you can. This is part of your PE too. How much can you hold? Don't drop it. Ooh. All right, ready? Don't spill it.
Yeah.
Don't spill it.
Where should I put it?
Don't burn yourself on the oven. Don't spill it. Don't burn it. Don't drop it. All right, I think that might be. We could have put it one level down, but that's okay.
Okay.
Oh look,
We shall. They grow up so fast.
my rice is kind of turning into looking like rice. It's brown rice, by the way, everybody. See, I normally
No, we only took our poop in it.
Ow! I just touched this stupid thing over here.
We only take poops in our rice. That's why it's brown.
Okay, so now we have our rice, we have our vegetables, and we have our boiling ham. Sounds like something Grandma would make.
Boiling ham. This is a hostage. I just imagine a grandma being a hostage negotiator. And I would be like, give me $10,000, and the grandma would be like, how about some hard candy? And I would be like,
Okay, let's just have to.
yes.
Oh, say bye. Say, hey, listen, I know this was kind of a crazy show, but.
Big slices, bye.
All right, I know this was kind of a crazy show, but I just want to let you know that we have been in isolation.
Oh my god, my quote.
So keep watching, subscribe, and we'll be back soon.
My quote.